Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Here tap on three dots on your top right. Go to settings. Now go to privacy. Here you'll find the option of last seen and online. Tap to open it. Now select your last seen privacy as nobody. Also, you can hide when I'm online. Select it same as last seen. If you don't share when you were last seen or online, you won't be able to see when other people were last seen or online. Also, you can set the privacy of the status by going to the status. You can select the privacy according to your preferences. Turn off the read receipts toggle. This is how you can hide online status on WhatsApp. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.